Welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. Hello, welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. So today we are looking for Max Olympiad problem. So the question is given: if A and B are real numbers that satisfy A power 4 plus A square B square plus B power 4 equal to 900, A square plus AB plus B square equal to 45, find the value of 2AB. So here we are going to find the value in two methods. So here as you are going to solve the problem, before starting, pause the video and try it. And also, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. Thank you. Okay, we'll go to the solution. So here first model. Here given a to the power of 4 plus a square b square plus b to the power of 4 equal to 900. So this can be written as a square plus ab plus b square into a square minus ab plus b square is equal to 900. So here if you multiply this you will get a power 4 plus a square b square plus b power 4. Now this value is given 45. 45 into a square minus ab plus b square is equal to 900. A square minus ab plus b square is equal to 900 by 45. You will get 20. Now he is asking to find 2ab. He is asking to find 2ab. So here a square plus ab plus b square is equal to 45. So here if you solve this, AB get cancel. 2 of a square plus b square is equal to 65. A square plus b square is equal to 65 by 2. Now replace it in second equation. Replace a square plus b square in second equation. So here what will get a square plus b square plus ab is equal to 45 given. So this value is 65 by 2 plus ab is equal to 45. AB is equal to 45 minus 65 by 2. AB is equal to 90 minus 65 by 2. So AB is equal to 25 by 2. He is asking 2AB. 2AB is equal to 25 by 2 into 2. So you will get the answer is 25. So this is one model. So you can do this in another way. Model 2. So here first equation is given a power 4 a square b square plus b power 4 is equal to 900. So multiply by a square minus b square. So here what will get? A square minus b square into a power 4 plus a square b square plus b power 4 is equal to 900 into a square minus b square. So this can be written as a to the power of 6 minus b to the power of 6 is equal to 900 a square minus b square, 900 into. So if you take the second equation, a square plus ab plus b square is equal to 45. So multiply by a minus b. A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square is equal to 45 into a minus b. Multiply by a minus b on both sides. Here we'll get a cube minus b cube is equal to 45 into a minus b. So let it be 3 and let it be 4. Now dividing both 3 by 4. Dividing 3 and 4. Dividing 3 by 4. A power 6 minus b power 6 by a cube minus b cube is equal to 900 by 45. Here a square minus b square by a minus b. So here you'll get a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube is equal to 20 of a plus b. So a cube plus b cube can be written as a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square is equal to 20 a plus b. So here a plus b get cancelled. A square minus ab plus b square equal to 20. The second equation, a square plus ab plus b square is equal to 45. So here if you subtract, okay ma. So if you subtract these two, bigger one minus smaller one, plus b square equal to 20. So here minus, here plus, here minus. So here a square b square get cancelled. 2ab is equal to 25. I hope you understood the video. So thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.